Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. So in this device I didn't set any password. You can see swipe up, it is unlocked. So let me show you how to set the pattern screen lock. For this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option security and privacy. Tap on this one. Tap on device unlock. Then tap on screen lock. Here you can see 3 password types: numeric, alphanumeric, pattern. So from here, to set the pattern screen lock, select the option pattern. So to create the pattern, we need to connect at least 4 dots. Okay. So here we need to draw the pattern. Again, confirm the pattern. If you want to enroll the fingerprint unlock, then you can enable it, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device, try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock. Draw the pattern, it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the pattern screen lock in this device. So guys, enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.